today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really simple Cat Noir costume. So you want to start by getting yourself a fake leather jacket. You can usually pick these up for a few dollars in a secondhand shop. The one that I had the zippers already on it, which gave it a good look. Then you want to take either a jingle bell, or in my case I took a gold Christmas ball, and I sewed that under the front of the jacket. You can also use a real jingle bell, but the Christmas ball that I had was free since I already had it. Then you want a pair of black leggings. I'm just using a pair that I already had, but you can get some from a secondhand shop. And then I got 2 black belts from a secondhand shop, and I threaded one through the other. And then the front of it will just go around your waist like a normal belt, and the other part will trail off the back to be Cat's tail. Then I took some black foam and cut the mask and the ears out. I do have a template you can use for this if you don't want to draw these freehand, but just trace them onto the black foam and then cut those out with a pair of scissors. You'll want to cut 2 of the ears. So once the mask is cut out, get yourself some stretchy string, and then you just want to drill a small hole in each side of the mask. You can just use the pointy end of a pair of scissors for this. And then thread your stretchy string through that hole, tie it up nice and tight, and then bring it around to the other side and tie that off so you got a nice piece to go around your head. So the ears, which are basically just triangles with a rounded edge on the bottom, take 4 bobby pins, and on the rounded edge there you're going to start a piece of thread toward the corner. Just going to loop it back into itself to start it, and then you're just going to sew the bobby pin to that corner. You want to keep your stitches somewhat loose. You don't want them too tight, otherwise the bobby pins won't be able to move, so just loosely sew it to the corner of the ear. And you'll end up sewing one to each corner of each ear. So when you're done, each ear will have 2 bobby pins on it. You can use those to weave them through your wig or into your hair, however you're going to wear the ears. So for the wig, I couldn't find my yellow wig because I'm reorganizing and it's gotten lost in the shuffle, so I just used a white one that I have that's in a similar style. And then you just weave the bobby pins through the wig in the shape of the ears. It's much easier when you're wearing the wig, actually. You put one in each side. Then I got a pair of black gloves from a secondhand shop, and they had a little excess to go over the wrist. If your pair of gloves does not have the excess to go over the wrist, you can just take some black craft foam and cut it out to make the wrist guard. And then you want to get a pair of black boots. You can get these from a secondhand shop. I'm just using the pair that I use on the farm because they seem to look the part. I'm a superhero. We don't get distracted. Is that a piece of string?